Wagwan family, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make a perfect steamed white rice. You're having problem to steaming rice? This is the video for you. First and foremost, big up Father God over here. Now I'm going to show you all the ingredients you need to make a perfect steamed rice. So these are my ingredients. I'm going to use jasmine rice. I'm going to use half of a small onion. Going to use some salt to taste, 3 stalks of scallions, 4 cubes of garlic, 1 pepper, and a piece of butter. So this the pot I'm going to steam the rice in. I'm going to add 6 cups of water. That is 2 cups of water, as you could see the measurement here. So 2 cups. That's 4, 6. So 6 cups of water. Going to turn on the stove. Now I'm going to cover it and allow it to come to a boil. Okay, the water come to a boil. I'm going to add the seasoning into it now. So first I'm going to rinse off the scallion, the thyme and garlic before I put them in the pot. Now to release the flavor from the scallions, you just want to do like this. To release all the flavor from them. The garlic, you just want to mash them. Just like that. I'm going to add all of this to the pot. The scallions, the garlic, the onion, the salt, the pepper, and the thyme. So now I'm going to add the onions. Going to add the garlic, piece of thyme, the pepper, but please do not make the pepper burst, okay? If the pepper burst, you can't eat the rice, so do not make the pepper burst. Pepper, salt to taste, the scallions. Now I'm going to cover it and go and wash the rice. Okay, me don't want you to confuse. Remember, me add 6 cups of water to the pot. So we're going to need 6 cups of rice, okay? And this is 2 cups. 2 cups of rice. So that's 2. That's 4. This is 6. So now I'm going to wash the rice. I'm going to wash it till the water come clear, okay? Now I'm going to add the rice. Now I'm going to stir it up. Remember, we're not going to make the pepper burst, okay? Now I'm going to add half stick of butter. Now the stove is on high heat. So as soon as it come to a boil, I'm going to turn it down. So I'm going to cover it up, allow it to come to a boil. After I come to a boil, I'm going to turn it down. Okay, my people. So you see it boiling now? So what you want to do now, turn down your stove on low. Because now we're steaming it. Now we're going to cover it up for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we're going to come and fluff it. If you don't fluff it, some part of the rice go cook and some part don't cook. So you have to fluff the rice so it steam evenly. So after 10 minutes, we're going to come back and fluff it. Okay, 10 minutes already gone. Now I'm going to fluff the rice. First, I'm going to take out all of these. Remember, we don't want the pepper to burst in the rice, okay? So if you're using a fork like this in a non-stick pot, do not make the fork scratch the pot, okay? So now we're going to fluff the rice. Fluff. You see, I start to fill up the pot. Fluff the rice. Do not use a spoon when you're fluffing rice, okay? The spoon dig into the rice and make the rice soft. So always use a fork. So you fluff the rice like this, okay? Now I'm going to cover it up and allow it to steam for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the rice is ready to serve. Okay, after 5 minutes, so this is how it look. Look at this, my people. Nice and shelly. So this is it. Now I'm going to turn it off. So let me know in the comment, what would you eat this rice with? Curry chicken, oxtail, curry goat. Let me know, what would you eat it with? Here you go. I'm going to have mine with some butter. If you know somebody who having problems steaming rice, share this video with them. So now, some butter. If you never have rice and butter, you're not a real Jamaican. You add the butter and you use your fork and mix in your butter in the rice. Then you just eat. So good, so flavorful. Thank you so much to watch this video to the end. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more recipe to share with you. Peace out.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.